If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update today. Alright, so unfortunately JASMY on the weekly time frame, we're looking for a continuation pattern here known as 3 black crows. So here we go, one red candle, second red candle, and a third red candle. I've talked about the 3 black crows so many times, it appears so many times, it's crazy. And the last time I told you about this one was on the 4-hour time frame. How many times have we seen on the 4-hour time frame that JASMY has been printing out the 3 black crows? It actually did so many times, several times, and I've been able to tell you and give you the call that, hey, don't trade JASMY, it's looking actually bad. It's not on the 4-hour time frame, it's on the daily. And if we go back to the daily time frame, this is where I've been talking about the 3 black crows again and again. So this was the 3 black crows here, that was the 3 black crows right there. And even right now, you're still continuing to, you have a technical target to 4,183. Now this is where you might end up having a little bit of that sideways movement, and then finally, or maybe perhaps come down like this to 3,500. If you do that, you can actually have a small pump to 4,438, continue sideways, because on the weekly it shows that you are meant to continue lower, and it means that in April as well we could have a red month. So do expect April to be a month of red candles as well. We're not still done here. So that's pretty much it for this JASMY video update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.